If you look at the left, typically Greenplum tends to be a HTAP database, this hybrid transactional analytical processing database. Where does all that data come from? Well, we stream it in, or we ETL it in from various applications that are running around the organization, different types of data types that those applications are generating. We integrate in with popular ETL tools, or again, any kind of streaming platform. On the right-hand side, you'll see all the users of this platform. And so whether it's data scientists or analysts or professionals, our end users are accessing the database as if it was just a Postgres database. And so we've got visualizations, we have tools that we integrate in with for both data scientists as well as analytical tools. And so if you look at a typical unified data infrastructure within an organization who is modernizing today, what you'll see is this depiction of sources, different ways to ingest and transport, storage, query processing, ultimately a transformation layer, and then analysis and output. If you compare this to the slide I just showed, this should actually mirror slightly, kind of the same kind of viewpoint. In the middle, several of our both competitors and what I'd like to call co-opetition have coined this combination as a lake house. And in the middle of this lake house, you'll see all of the ways that data kind of goes both inside of the lake house, around the lake house, ultimately moves across the organization to both power the sources, the applications, as well as analyze all of what's going on. Today, and in the middle, we're going to talk about how the combination of Greenplum and Cloudian actually can make a hybrid lakehouse where you can deploy these technologies and be sure that they run exactly the same wherever your deployment. And that would be from bare metal to virtualized to any of the public cloud platforms. And so at the end of the day, I think most folks would agree, the ability to maintain some semblance of control over how they deploy their data infrastructure, and even more importantly, how they build applications and knowledge around leveraging that data architecture is super critical. And the needs of the organization is constantly changing where this infrastructure and where these deployments need to go. You need to be agile enough and have a platform that can go with you and your needs.